What if I told you that right now, completely faceless YouTube Shorts channels are exploding in views, just by posting simple educational skeleton stories like this?
What if you never walked again? Day 1. Your muscles go quiet. Blood pools in your legs like standing water. Your heart mistakes the stillness for a smaller body and begins to shrink.
Sounds too good to be true, but this is exactly what's working. Simple, educational skeleton stories. No face on camera, no expensive studio setup, no 9-to-5 grind. But this isn't just one lucky channel. The top channels that started just 3 months ago have already gained almost 400 million views combined. That's some serious money from ad revenue alone. And on top of that, every single day, brand new creators are entering this niche and going viral within weeks. And just so you know, every single prompt I use in this tutorial is waiting for you inside my Telegram channel. Links in the description. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Docs that I created for this video. Over there, I've listed out 5 different channels that are performing really well. Simply pick the one you like the most and sort their videos by top performing. After that, just take a screenshot of that channel. Then open up Claude AI and simply import the screenshot you just took. From here, just input a short prompt like this. This idea is getting a lot of views and engagement. Please give me very similar topics to make new videos in a similar style. That's literally it. Just click generate and Claude will give you the list of similar video ideas that are proven to work. So now we have a list of ideas, but we need good high retention scripts. Here's the fastest way to generate scripts that actually retain viewers. If you go back again to my Google Docs, you'll find a prompt that's trained on the scripts of the most viral videos in this niche. Simply copy the full prompt and paste it in a new Claude chat. From there, just head back to the previous chat where you have the list of ideas. Copy the one you like and paste it instead of the brackets right here. Now simply click generate, and Claude will create a brand new script in the style that's proven to work. This Claude chat is now fully optimized for creating viral scripts. If you want to generate another one, simply type out your video idea and click generate. Claude will instantly get to work and create you another high retention script. Now once you know how to get viral ideas and perfectly optimized scripts, let's head over to Clippy AI. This is where the magic begins. As always, I've left a link in the description if you want to try this tool yourself. After you log in, the first thing you need to do is click on the Templates tab and select AI Story Video. This is where everything comes together. From here, we can simply copy the script that we generated in Claude AI and paste it into the script box section. Now for the art style, we can just leave it as is because we won't be using any of these preset styles. We'll be generating each image manually for better control. Next, click on the voice section and select your desired voice character. Clippy offers a ton of high-quality voices, and I found these top 3 that perfectly match the skeleton niche. But feel free to test them all and choose the one you like best. I'm going to go with Andrew. I'll leave the stability and similarity options just as they are and simply click Generate Scenes. From here, we need to set the aspect ratio and generation mode. I'll go with 9:16 since we're creating vertical short-form content. For the generation mode, I tested both options, and faster mode is hands down the better choice for this niche. I'll just click Generate Scenes, and it will start processing. This takes about a minute, so I'll fast forward through it. Alright, now once the scenes are generated, we have a complete storyboard ready to customize. We've got our script divided into sections, with an image or 2 generated for each one. The next thing we need to do is create our custom images. Simply head over to the Google Docs I created and copy the image prompt generator prompt. Then open Claude AI again and create a new chat. Paste it into the prompt box. From here, we just need to input the sentence for which we want to create the image. Simply copy it from the Clippy AI storyboard and paste it here instead of the brackets. Don't worry if the text isn't formatted perfectly. Claude will understand the context and create the perfect image prompt for us. Just click generate and Claude works its magic. Next step is to open a new tab with Clippy AI and click on the AI Playground section on the left. Then select Image Generation. Now paste the prompt that we created into the prompt box. From here, we need to set up a few things. First, click on Base Model and select the Nano Banana Pro model. While testing, this model gave absolutely the best results. Next, choose the aspect ratio. Since we're creating short-form content for YouTube, we need to select the 9:16 vertical ratio. Next thing is the quality. We can select up to 4K image quality, but if you want to save some credits, 2K is absolutely enough. Once that's done, everything is set. Just hit generate. And in a couple of seconds, the first image will be generated. Let's create another one. Head back to our storyboard and copy the second part of the text. And head back to Claude and just paste that text and click generate. No need to copy the entire prompt from the Google Docs again. Claude knows what it should do. And as you can see, it created another prompt for us in the exact same format. Now copy that prompt and paste it into the image generation section. Read every option just like we set up earlier and click Generate. And just look at that. Both images, sharp, high quality, and perfectly matched to our story. Now do this step for all the scenes from the storyboard. If you feel that there are too many images for one scene, simply go ahead and delete one. Once you've finished generating all the images, download all of them onto your PC. Once you've done that, head back to the storyboard and start from the first scene. Simply click on the three dots in the top right corner of the image and select Upload Custom Media, then select Upload Image. From there, just choose the matching image that you generated for that exact scene, and it will be uploaded instead of the current placeholder image. Do this step for all the scenes in the storyboard. And boom, all your custom images are in place, and we can continue with the next part of the process, animating all the images. I created another prompt generator, which is again in my Google Docs. This prompt generator will create professional animation prompts based on our image prompt and the specific part of the script that the animation is for. Simply copy it from the Google Docs and head over to Claude AI. Open a new chat and paste the prompt. From here, the easiest method is to head back to the previous chat, where we generated the image prompts. Copy the exact image prompt, then also copy the exact text for that scene and paste both in the new chat. Again, don't worry if the scene text isn't formatted perfectly. Claude will understand the context. Now just click Generate, and boom, we get an animation prompt that we can simply copy and paste. So the next thing is to head back to our storyboard and start from the first scene. Simply click on the three dots in the top right corner of the image and select Animate. The generation menu will pop up. First, choose the animation model. For the best results, I'm going to select Seedance 1 Pro since it delivers the highest quality animations. After that, set the resolution to 1080t and make sure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Then select the animation duration. Over here, you can see how long the scene duration is. I always select 1 second above that, just so the video doesn't cut off before the scene ends. The last step is adding the animation prompt. Simply head back to Claude AI and copy the animation prompt we just generated, then paste it into the prompt box. After that, everything is set. Just click Animate and it will start generating. Just repeat this process with all the scenes and you'll have a complete storyboard animated in a matter of minutes. Once that's done, click on the Background tab. Here you can choose the background music, transition style, and video effects. For the background music, I'm going with a track that I personally uploaded. And honestly, it's the one almost every top creator in this niche is already using. It just fits for the vibe perfectly. I'll have the song linked in the description. For transitions, I usually go with smooth, or sometimes no motion. It really depends on the pacing of your specific video. For video effects, I'm going with Enter Sound for this one. There's also a glitch option in there, which can work really well for certain styles, so feel free to experiment and see what fits your content best. And you'll also notice there's an overlay section, but I won't use any overlay effects for this video. The final step is the Captions tab. Clippy offers a lot of different caption styles, but for this video, I'm going with a clean, minimal look. White captions, a single line, exactly this one here. From this menu, you can also adjust the caption position, font, color, and size. I'll just tweak the size and placement slightly, and that's literally it. Now just click Export, give your project a name, and hit Render Video. In a few moments, your video will be ready to download to your PC. Let's see how it turned out.
If you never walked again. Day 1. Your muscles go quiet. Blood pools in your legs like standing water. Your heart mistakes the stillness for a smaller body and begins to shrink. Day 7. Osteoclasts drill into your femur. Calcium floods your bloodstream. Your kidneys scramble to flush it, but the drain clogs. A dull throb settles deep in your lower back.
And look at the quality of this. Every image, every animation, every single frame. It follows the story seamlessly from start to finish. The character is fully consistent across all scenes, and it gives you that professional branding feel on another level. I'm genuinely impressed. And the real advantage here is speed. With this system, you can generate weeks worth of content in a single sitting and build an entire library of videos ready for upload. Now here's where it gets really interesting. I showed you the method and the blueprint on how to actually make simple fat videos. But if you truly want to stand out and build a channel that lasts, you need to think about your angle. Look at this channel for example, Skillapets. They took the exact same skeleton video format and simply shifted it to animals and pets. That's it. Same method, different niche, and it works. And that's the beauty of this system. You can plug this formula into almost any topic you can think of. History, geography, science, sports, true crime, space, psychology. The skeleton format works across all of them because this format is creative, unique, and stands out immediately from typical content. And most of these sub-niches are still wide open with barely any competition. This is how YouTube actually works nowadays. You find one concept that's working, start blasting a brand new niche, and if you're lucky enough to be one of the first ones in that exact niche, you'll start printing views and money like crazy. So don't just copy what everyone else is doing. Pick an angle that excites you, own it, and you'll have a serious advantage before most people even realize this niche exists. And that's the full system. From viral idea, to script, to fully animated skeleton video that's ready to upload. You want all the prompts I use today, they're sitting inside my Telegram channel. Links in the description. Everything is there, ready to copy and paste. If this was useful, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel. And subscribe if you want more systems like this, and I'll see you in the next one.